Assalamu alaikum, I'm Aisha and you're watching Samar News. Here are today's headlines. US President Donald Trump has once again claimed credit for preventing an Indo-PAK war, saying that his threat of trade tariffs convinced both countries to step back from the brink of conflict. Addressing the business community in Japan, Trump claimed, for the second time during the ongoing trip, that he stopped the India-Pakistan war through trade diplomacy. He said 7 brand new, beautiful planes were shot down. US President Donald Trump has highlighted close ties between the US and Japan after a day spent alongside the country's new conservative Prime Minister, Sanae Takaichi, whom he described as a winner, offering warm praise for his counterpart. Trump then talked about having a beautiful friendship with Japan. He said he has huge respect for Japan and the country, and now a really great respect for the new and incredible Prime Minister, prompting cheers and applause from the servicemen in the crowd. Taiwan's foreign minister has said that he is not worried that US President Donald Trump will abandon the island in his meeting this week with Chinese President Xi Jinping in South Korea. Since taking office earlier this year, Trump has vacillated on his position towards China-claimed Taiwan as he seeks to strike a trade deal with Beijing. Trump says Xi has told him he will not invade while the Republican president is in office, but Trump has yet to approve any new US arms sales to Taipei. Amazon is planning to cut as many as 30,000 corporate jobs as the company pares expenses and compensates for overhiring during the peak demand of the pandemic. The figure represents a small percentage of Amazon's 1.55 million total employees, but nearly 10% of its roughly 350,000 corporate employees. This would mark Amazon's largest job cut since late 2022, when it started to eliminate around 27,000 positions. Billionaire investor and philanthropist Bill Gates has called on world leaders to adapt to extreme weather and focus on improving health outcomes rather than temperature reduction targets ahead of the COP30 climate talks in Brazil. COP30 will be held from November 10th to 21st in the port city of Belém in Brazil's lower Amazon region. Countries are due to present updated national climate commitments and assess progress on renewable energy targets agreed at previous summits. Indian refiners have temporarily halted new orders for Russian oil following the latest sanctions. Refiners are waiting for guidance from the government and suppliers before resuming purchases. In the meantime, some refiners are turning to the spot market to meet their crude oil requirements. US-based facial recognition firm Clearview AI is facing a criminal complaint in Austria over alleged privacy violations. Austrian privacy group Neub has accused the company of illegally collecting photos and videos of EU residents to build its facial recognition database. According to Neub, Clearview's actions violate the EU's GDPR, and the company's executives could face personal liability, including possible jail time. In what's become the internet's latest obsession, Katy Perry and former Canadian Prime Minister Justin Trudeau are officially dating. Rumours began after multiple public sightings, a dog walk and dinner in Montreal back in July, followed by a yacht photo off California's coast in September, showing the two looking rather cozy. While neither Perry nor Trudeau has confirmed the speculation, social media seems convinced it's official. Hurricane Melissa is expected to bring catastrophe as it makes landfall in Jamaica, with storm surges, flash floods and landslides in the worst storm to hit the Caribbean island this century. The Category 5 storm, the strongest possible on the Saffir-Simpson scale, will bring wind gusts of over 300 kilometers per hour and widespread devastation to the island, where authorities have ordered mandatory evacuations. That's all for now. For more updates, visit www.samar.tv. Thank you for watching Samar News.